All right, you guys, I got two special guests with me today. I had a third, but he had to leave because he got in trouble. No, I'm just kidding. He had things to do. So first we have our specialist, steering wheel interior specialist. All right, here we got Darren. Darren, say hi to the camera. He's our interior specialist. He lives and breathes this stuff.
I do.
He loves being on camera, and he loves everything about everything.
That's right.
It's pretty much like a real-life unicorn that's just sparkling.
And you can check out my channel at S2KP. Got him.
Got a second special guest. He's an exhaust specialist. He's also a specialist when it comes to anything JDM. We got Andrew joining us.
How you going?
Hi, everyone.
What the heck is that power key?
You know, you can put the exhaust on now.
Oh, I thought you had to zip tie over there.
I got one side done. I'll do the other side after the exhaust is done.
True.
Thank you.
You're doing it now. Okay, go ahead.
All right. So we didn't record the beginning part because we definitely forgot to record. But now we are just taking the steering wheel apart. Airbag, there's two T-something Torx sockets on the side. And then
Bolts.
we got a bolt here, 14 regular. Yeah, two Torx bolts and one socket here. Now everything's apart. Let's see if this thing will come off.
You're gonna need to pull it, dude.
You think so?
Yeah.
You gotta keep it straight, and you can try wiggling back and forth, but
Oh,
nice.
there it is.
nice. Okay.
Oh, sweet.
Okay, hold on. No,
Yep.
do not
Nope.
turn that.
Yep.
That's your clock spring.
Got it.
It goes through. There you go.
Hey, what's going on, Andrew?
Like that last time. It's your ground wire. For the horn.
Sweet. Awesome. Check it out.
So this will be on eBay for $200 if I'm kidding.
All right. What's the torque spec on this?
Probably 25.
Tight.
Yeah, I'd use the electric.
One Kaguga.
Right there.
One Kaguga.
It's still not perfectly straight, is it? Or am I
Well,
just...
you can straighten it a little bit, and then when you get in alignment,
Yeah, man. It's
you would take all that out.
right now. It's okay.
Okay.
As long as it's not like 180 out or something.
Yeah, I mean, don't go nuts with this.
Can I get the adapter? Sweet. You the best.
Hold it tight with your left hand, and then just go clink, 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 clink.
Yep.
Just like the quick one, not the...
All right, fully torqued
Did
to
you already have
spec.
it tightened?
Barely.
Yeah.
I did push it down a little. All right, now what do I do with all this stuff?
Those are jumpers, so you can hook things up. Now, it depends on what you want to hook up.
I want to bypass the airbag light. Oh, sorry. Oh, there, right there. Does that.
I've
does
never
that.
done that.
Huh?
You have to read the directions
Here.
on that.
Are there directions? I don't think this comes with any directions, though.
Well, okay, so then
Yeah,
it's
so
probably...
these...
Energy makes suspension. Oh, dear. Negative. No.
These are fuses.
Yeah, I think that they are a resistor for the airbag.
Yeah, you're going to have to figure out which wires these go on, because these are two doubles, and this is the wrong side for that. And if it's for that, I don't know which one goes where. And this is a single. This is your horn, but
This is my horn, yeah. Move
this
over.
goes to here.
Actually, let me put that on.
That should go like that. And then the other side should be on the
On this, what you call it?
steering wheel, I think.
No. Both of these go here. Both of these go here.
One goes to the other. Then one of them is a ground wire. And it probably goes like here.
Well, they both have. Probably need to.
Watch a YouTube video.
Or
Yeah.
read the directions.
There's no
Yeah, there's
directions.
gotta be
guys.
directions.
No, there's. I swear, there's no
It's a
directions.
universal
Turn that.
kit.
All right, we're gonna do a little test start to see if we've hooked up this this airbag light resistor properly. All right, give it a fire. All right, Darren's doing the final touches right now on the quick release. So let me grab the steering wheel. All right, in the moment of truth, let's see if it works. Is that it?
That's it.
Awesome. I
Oh,
think
this-
you gotta press that button too at
This
the
is a
top.
lock- this is a locking one?
Yeah, for safety, for the kids. Beautiful.
Safety button?
Yeah, why not?
Where at?
Safety first.
It's right there. My car had that too, but it was just weird. It's just weird that this one would have it because, like, how you supposed to?
Oh, to push that so that. Okay, I gotcha. That's cool.
We could probably disable that safety button, but I love safety.
So remember, like I said, like I didn't tighten these down fully. Like I would just take that later and put a little bit of thread locker on there.
All right, sounds good. Good work, guys.
How's that?
Dude, this is way too. Oh my god. Yeah, this is more like you. I don't know if you're gonna be able to.
Oh, nice. It feels so light.
I mean, it's because your car's not.
You got no wheels on.
Yep, it's all recorded.
Yeah. There we go. So is this supposed to move like that? Like this?
Wait a minute. Wait, what?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Sweet.
I hope I didn't put that on.
Oh, I'm excited. This is gonna be some good stuff. All right, let's finish up. Thanks, bud. All right, here we are in the back of the S2K. We have the Carceps rear sway bar. We have the JRZ suspension set up with the E-Box springs. And now I'm trying to figure out where to mount this canister. Right now, I'm thinking in the rear bumper somewhere. So we will have to see.
I don't know what to do.
So I'm out here cleaning my wheels and got to thinking. This car could be really fast.
I don't know what's up, Adam.
It also could be really slow. So I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see. Alright, here we go, everyone. We got the intake on, we got the wheels and tires, suspension, everything's buttoned up, everything's nice and tight. We're about to drop her down and take it for a test drive, see where we're at, see if there's anything else we need to do, and bring it back in the garage. So, nice little shakedown. Exhaust is on too, we're good.
It's not that hot.
Really?
Like, this weekend was yesterday, on Friday. It is a restaurant called Halal Guys, and they put this weird spicy stuff on top, and I thought it was spicy. That shit was hot.
Okay.